What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video, man. I know y'all miss hearing that, man. I know y'all miss hearing that. I've been lacking on y'all, but as you can tell by the title, today I'm taking on a detail with me. If y'all ain't know, and yes, I do detailing. Got my little detailing van right here. I just got this like not too long ago. I should have done a video when I got it, but I was lacking on YouTube. But I'm not gonna be lacking no more. I be saying that, but this I'm not lacking no more. I got content for y'all. Hey, you know the X5 right here. I need to show her some love. Cause look at the brake. Dang, she's dirty. I gotta show her some love, bro. But if y'all ain't know how to replace the drive shaft in her, I should have vlogged that too, but I didn't record that. I know I'm missing out on y'all, but trust me and believe me, I ain't doing that no more. So, you know, we got my babies right here. The X5 right here. This is the Ford Transit Connect. Got the full detailing set up in the back. You know, generator, vacuum, pressure washer, air compressor, all that, all the goodies, you know, all the goodies in here. Some money maker right here. You know, I'm about to get a wrap on it soon. You know, got my boy Fonzie sticker on here for now, but I'm gonna get my own wrap on it soon. On the way, I'm gonna vlog everything for y'all. Do a little series to see how y'all liking detailing. Come along with me and see how you like these videos. But you're not done with the X5. We still got more content. Lowering springs, diffuser, got the exhaust. Shit, wide body kit. But you know what I'm saying, wrap. Now we gotta get a wrap on her, but I've been lacking on y'all, but no worries, I'm back. Got my head mount, about to give y'all like a, you know, you're gonna be in my shoes for the day. See what I be doing. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Hope y'all can run me up the views, subscribers, likes, so I can keep this series going on for y'all. So I'm gonna tap it with y'all in a second. Alright, YouTube, we're in the van with it. Got little bro right here, but I show him a little sauce, you know. First time he wanna come outside and do something with me. But you know, if y'all in the DMV area, tap in Dion's Auto Spot, man. We got all the packages, everything you need to do. Scan this QR code to book now. You know what I'm saying? Go get you right in the DMV area. Soon we're gonna be expanding every state. New York, Georgia, whole East Coast. Said phone not charging, but right now we're on the way to the client house. We about to do a quick maintenance wash, quick in and out, you know, and not a full detail, just a quick touch-up wash, fully outside, inside, everything, you know what I'm saying? But we're on the way there right now. I'm gonna tap y'all when we get there. YouTube, we put up to the spot, man. We can washing this truck right here, this beautiful F450. Man, this shit is crazy. But only thing we got a problem, customer, he took the key with him, so I'm not able to move the truck, and we're in direct sunlight. So, but you know, that ain't stopping us. We're gonna work through this, you know. Got the van set up right here. Like I was talking about, vacuum, generator, boom, pressure washer hose, real, retractable, everything's retractable, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up, you know. I'm gonna put you on my head. I'm gonna give you a little, I'm not gonna give you the full process because the video gonna be long, but I'm gonna put the camera on my head and give you a step-by-step process. But usually before, I just walk around the car and make sure like there's no scratches or anything. So, you know, they don't blame me for scratches, stuff like that. Just look at the condition, so you gotta tell what products you're gonna use. This truck's not that dirty, so what I'm thinking is I'm just gonna use my light chemicals. I don't gotta bring out nothing too crazy. This side's in the shade, so I'm gonna probably wash this side last. Since we're in direct sunlight right here, you gotta have to work fast so you don't get no water spots or nothing like that. So we about to go ahead and get set up. Got my brother right here. We about to go ahead and get set up. Then I'm gonna put you on my head and give y'all a process. Alright, YouTube, I got you on the head mount. You can see it, bro, right here. So basically, we start on the interior first, cause basically what we do is just take out all the trash, anything that you see that's any large object. If we just trash it, like he got Dunkin' Donuts right here, all this trash. We just take everything out, basically trash everything out. Take the floor mounts out, cause we're gonna end up vacuuming these and blowing all the crumbs out. Basically, you just want to make sure there's no trash in here, any large items. This car is not that dirty because I wash this thing like every week. You don't gotta worry about the back. I mean, if there's trash in the back, you can get that, but basically let's get all this, get everything out the way, you know, get everything out the way. Then it's a heavy ass vest. It's a little weighted vest. Jeez, imagine doing a detail on a weighted vest. Nah, that shit is heavy. But yeah, that thing is heavy. Golly. But so once you get everything out, once we got the large objects out, I'm gonna go ahead and get my air compressor, blow everything out, blow everything to the front, get the vacuum, wipe down, and you're done for the interior. Just like that. So I'm not gonna be talking, I'm gonna just keep you on through the way. I might talk sometimes, but mostly everything gonna be sped up. Alright, YouTube, right now my brother, I don't know if y'all can hear me still, but we got the air compressor and the generator running, so it might be a little loud. I'm gonna speak up a little bit more. But basically what you do, what I do, I just get all this, I blow all the dust out, boom, 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 blow everything to the front, blow everything to the front, boom, boom, boom. Just get all the dust out. I'm gonna let him do it because he learning something too. But you're gonna start from the back, you're gonna blow everything out the car, boom, boom, blow everything out. It just saves you time on the vacuum, so you don't gotta reach into tight spots. That air gets anywhere, so we're gonna go ahead and blow everything out, boom, boom, blow everything out. Done. Yeah. Just blow. Let me get this on the side. Take the floor mount on and just blow everything out. Now it's time to vacuum. Got the vacuum process, got the vacuum control by the remote control right here. You good right there. So what we're gonna do, I got it back. You good? So we're gonna start vacuuming. Just start with the seats and you come down to the carpet. Just quick vacuum. Then after we done vacuuming, we're gonna wipe down the door panels, and that's it. That's it for the interior. You might find trash between the seats just like that. So all I do is trash it. He's vacuuming. I'm gonna start doing a wipe down process. Grab a little microfiber rag right here. Got my cleaner right here. And you just wipe if you see any stains. See any stains, just wipe it out. But if no stains, you gotta spray anything down. Save you some time, like try to get this out. Basically spot cleaning. Wipe down the plastic. All right. So when you're done with the vacuuming, just press my remote off, put the vacuum out. Just want to wipe down any debris, anything crazy, and then it don't look right. The wipe down. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the windows down, spray the windshield. Then that's it for the interior. So like this is just a basic package. When you want to go out, go to a car show, go do something, the car's not that dirty, you just book this service called Simply Wash. It's my packing name, Simply Wash. We just do that. Alright, YouTube. So if you know detailing word, today I'm trying a product called Dark Fury. I heard everybody been using this, so I'm gonna try it. I'm diluting it 4:1, and I just put a little bit in the bucket just to have some soap in the bucket, not too much. But what I'm using right here is right here, my IK Formula 12, diluted 4:1 on my bucket right here. So basically what I do is, I'm gonna have my brother do it. So what I want you to do is rinse the top, rinse everything over here, rinse the rim, get everything soaking wet. Dark Fury right here, 4:1. Make sure, let's go, boom, boom, boom. Spray on everything, wheel liner, everything, boom, boom, boom. I let it sit there a little bit. Then I grab my brush for the wheel well. I just get the agitate all the dirt. Then I go in for the rims. Since this one doesn't have that many things, I get this little sponge thing. Boom. Got my little detailing brush. Hit up everything. It's a really good cleaner. That's what I've supported, but today I'm gonna be testing it to see how I like it. If it's gonna replace my cleaner that I use right now. Can't give you the sauce on the cleaner I got right now, but make sure you get everything. Tire brush. Then I'm gonna have him rinse everything down. That's it for the wheels. You see how I keep moving it? Like I'm not staying still, right? Other side. Don't get me soaked now. I gotta get this clip in my GoPros on 1%, but you know we got the car, this truck nice and clean. Right now we about to head back to the crib, about to go finish something up. But I'm on 1% right now, y'all. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Hope y'all enjoyed coming with me. You know, I got more videos. Let me know if you want to see a POV, just pure audio, no talking. I could do that for y'all. Alright, YouTube, GoPro died, you know, on 2%. I get to finish what I was saying, but if y'all enjoyed the content y'all seen today, make sure y'all like, subscribe. I'm gonna get more videos for y'all every week. Peace out.